I wanted a nail set I could completely change without redoing the whole nail. So I tried making interchangeable polygel nails, and honestly, I didn't expect them to work this well. The craziest part is these actually stay secure while still being removable. For this to work, I needed 2 of the exact same nail tips for every nail. If the surface is too smooth, the glue won't grip properly, and the detachable section can pop apart later. I glued the tips together at the well area only, so the center would stay hollow for the detachable piece. I also had to let this dry fully because if the tips shifted even slightly, the detachable section wouldn't fit snug anymore. Then I used the extra nail tip I cut off earlier to create the actual insert that slides between 2 tips. And once I tested the fit, it was surprisingly secure. Before moving into the polygel, I had to prep the surface properly so everything would actually adhere instead of peeling later. One mistake here can ruin the entire detachable effect. I had to leave room between the insert and the nail bed area, otherwise curing the polygel would seal everything together permanently. Applying the polygel actually felt a lot like doing a normal overlay, just on a removable nail section instead. I wanted the marble to look soft and blended, so I feathered the colors together before curing. I kept this layer really thin because bulky detachable nails would have looked super obvious from the side. Once the marble was blended, I added a thin glitter layer for dimension and then encapsulated everything in clear polygel to keep the nail smooth instead of bulky. Because this set separates in the middle, the shape had to stay super clean or the illusion wouldn't work. Once the nails were on, the structure finally started making sense. Next, I had to build the nail bed section separately so both halves would blend together seamlessly. The hardest part was making the side profile look natural instead of looking like 2 nails stuck together. This is what the nails look like underneath, and honestly, this part fascinated me the most. The detachable tip was looking slightly thinner than the nail bed area, so I added more clear polygel to balance the structure. This part definitely took patience because I wanted every nail to still look seamless from every angle. Since the set separates in the middle, even small differences in thickness became really noticeable once I started filing. But after refining the shape, the whole design started looking way more natural and honestly way more satisfying than I expected. The rhinestones weren't just decorations, they also helped disguise the separation line between both sections. I honestly thought this idea would completely fail, but seeing the nails come apart and snap back together so smoothly was so satisfying. I honestly thought these would look bulky or obvious from the side, but once the rhinestones covered the seam, the detachable effect blended in way better than I expected. And the fact that I could still pull the tips off and switch the design later made this concept even cooler. I love when nails are complicated but are secretly built around smart little techniques like this. These might actually be one of the coolest sets I've experimented with so far. Because the tips are detachable, they can still pop loose if you're really rough with your hands. But for normal wear, they actually stay in place surprisingly well. Let me know what you guys think, and thanks for watching.